Hi everyone. The leading cause of death in the Miami-Dade County is heart diseases. Heart diseases are conditions that affect the heart. Some include heart attacks, cardiovascular diseases, coronary artery diseases, and congenital heart defects that people was born with at birth. According to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, coronary heart disease is where plaque is built up on the arteries and causes the blood not to flow properly to the heart. With the lack of blood flow and oxygen, a person can have a heart attack. Hardened plaque can cause a rupture and form a blood clot on the artery. If we take a look at this picture, the man here does not have any plaque on his arteries and the blood can flow properly to the heart. Whereas if he did have any plaque on his arteries, it would be more difficult for the blood to flow to the heart. In this example, plaque is affecting the tiny coronary arteries, known as coronary microvascular disease. We could see in the lining of the artery is damaged by the tight curving of the vessel and causes abnormal blood flow to the heart. According to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, men and women who are at higher risk for MVD are the ones with diabetes or high blood pressure. Hi, Jessica. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions about the symptoms you've been having. Just take a couple of breaths for me. Have you been feeling any type of chest pain, shortness of breath, fast or slow heart rate, dizziness, lightheadedness? Okay. I'm going to check your blood pressure right quick. Jessica, your blood pressure is a little bit high. It's 132 over 101. That's not very good, and it can be signs for heart disease. Some of the causes of heart disease are the buildup of the fatty plaque on the arteries, being a smoker, lack of exercise, being overweight, poor diet, bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Who can get a heart disease? Anyone. You, me, anyone in this world. And some people are born with a heart disease, but it's usually the older generation that are affected more than the younger generation, starting at the age of 65 for men and 55 for women. And if you are a smoker, you are at greater risk for developing a heart disease compared to non-smokers because the nicotine constricts the blood vessels. And if you have diabetes, you are at greater risk for developing a heart disease, no matter if you're a male or female. You want to know how to treat your heart disease? Start by taking the medications your doctor prescribed. If the medication don't work, sometimes you might need heart surgery. You can also start checking your cholesterol levels and your blood pressure. You can go get a machine from Walgreens. As easy as that. You can also quit smoking. Also, you can start exercising and get a little workout in. You can stop eating foods like this or limit it and start eating more healthy with fruits and vegetables. How can we prevent a heart disease? It's so simple. We could start by eating better, exercising, maintaining our weight, checking our cholesterol, diabetes, and high blood pressure, and quit smoking. Are you setting your own ways? You love your fried foods, chicken, cookies, chips, pop, and you don't have time to exercise? Are you afraid you're going to catch a heart disease? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Try my new Elite Cardiac Max. Elite Cardiac Max can be found at your local drugstores such as Walgreens, Walmart, Target, CVS, any other drugstore near you. It comes in a powder form and needs to be mixed with water. And what it is it attacks the plaque that's on your arteries and it kills 99.5% of the plaque on your arteries so that the blood can flow properly to your heart. And it's accessible to anyone and is over the counter for only $5.99. How does it work? All you do is just mix the powder and the water together and you simply drink. Refreshing. And it's so good with the different flavors. And that's all you have to do. And so you don't have to keep on exercising and dieting as much because this is helping your arteries be clean from the plaque. The best part of drinking Elite Cardiac Mass is there are no side effects. However, I strongly discourage people from taking this supplement if you don't have fatty plaque buildup on your arteries. Why? Because you don't have plaque on your arteries. And people who are under the age of 18 should not be taking this. This is not for kids because of the chemicals that are in this product. Start teaching our young ones about living a healthy life and start fighting heart diseases. I think me and Jessica agrees. Let's start kicking heart disease butt.